Logo, LG. Life is good.
How to replace your LG refrigerator water filter. LG water dispensing refrigerators are designed to be used only with NSF-certified genuine LG refrigerator water filters, which can be purchased directly from LG using the link at the end of this video.
LG NSF certified filters, LT500P, LT700P, LT800P, LT1000P.
LG recommends that you replace your refrigerator water filter approximately every 6 months or when the water dispenser output decreases.
An empty, open refrigerator.
Inside the refrigerator section, the water filter location varies by refrigerator model. It may be in the top left, or in the back left, or in the left door behind the lower left door bin. Turn off water valve. First, turn off the water valve that connects to the refrigerator water line.
A valve is turned clockwise.
Lay a dry towel on the floor in case any water drains or spills.
A woman holds a bowl under the dispenser.
Dispense any remaining water left in the water line. Filter locations. Locate the water filter inside your refrigerator. Top left. If the filter housing is in the top left, remove all items from the top shelf that could block the water filter cover from opening completely downward.
A bowl of eggs is removed from the shelf for more space.
If the top shelf is in the highest position, remove it. Depending on your model, pinch the sides or press the button on the front of the filter cover to open it. Then pull the cover all the way down. Rotate the water filter downward and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Back left. If the filter is in the back left, reach in and remove the old filter by slowly turning it counterclockwise, then pulling it down. Bottom left door. If the filter is behind the bottom left door bin, remove the bin and you'll see the filter housing. Swing the old filter out and lightly grab the bottom of the filter and turn it counterclockwise until it releases. Install the new filter. After you've removed the old filter, take the new filter out of its packaging and remove the protective cap cover. For the top left location, insert and push the new filter into the filter mount and turn it clockwise until it clicks into place. Rotate the filter up into position and close the cover until it snaps shut. For the back left location, line up the filter tabs so it can be inserted into the filter mount. Turn the filter clockwise until it locks into place. For the bottom left door location, place the new filter in the filter mount and turn the filter clockwise until it's locked in place. Swing the new filter back into the filter housing. Prime the new filter. Once the new water filter is installed, turn on the water valve that connects to the refrigerator water line.
Turns the valve counterclockwise. Taps the 16-ounce button on the refrigerator.
Dispense a total of 2.5 gallons of water in 30-second intervals to remove trapped air and sediment and prime the system with clean drinking water. Lastly, reset the water filter indicator light by holding down the button next to it for about 3 seconds. The light will switch off. With proper maintenance, your LG refrigerator will provide clean, fresh, and great-tasting water and ice for years to come. For more information, visit LG.com. To purchase genuine LG refrigerator water filters, visit lg.com/us/kitchen/refrigerator filters.
Logo, LG. Life is good.